so many awesome colors. Kids on the Rock. Whoa, you didn't say there would be so many people in the room. Whoa. Okay, my name is Harold, and I want to tell all you people out there how much more fun you could have volunteering with Kids on the Rock than staying in here and listening to you-know-who. You know what? We can start right now having fun. Let's run around the room, while I'm on the floor. Shout and dance, stomp your feet, pick your nose. I was just trying to show them how to have fun. They don't look happy at all. Kids on the Rock is going all year long, and we need more people like you to volunteer and help us learn more about Jesus and worship God and have lots and lots of fun. Don't just take my word for it. Ask God, and He'll tell you that Kids on the Rock is where you ought to be. Matter of fact, let's just ask Him now. Dear God! Okay, I'm sorry. Just think about it. You're just a prayer and a happy thought away from helping our kids on Kids on the Rock learn more about God and how to have Jesus as a forever friend. Don't you just think that's awesome? That's really big stuff. Look, after the service, talk to one of the pastors or Mr. Moose to find out how easy it is to volunteer. I gotta go. Bye. See y'all. Run around the room. Y'all have some fun.